Mitsubishi Colt in the house. That's a 1.1 newer shaped Colt, and it is having a custom exhaust system built today by our Richard. It should sound a lot better, should give a little bit more performance gains. Customer was adamant that he wanted our Rich to make one up for him, so that's what's going to happen. I hope everybody is having a lovely Friday, and hopefully we'll get lots more photographs of this as we build it. Because I burnt you?
Yeah.
Nearly finished.
Yeah, because you won't leave you off.
Well, you won't let me come in, you Rich.
Yeah.
Oh, what's going on here? Everyone's taking photos. What are we taking photos of, boys?
That was fucking epic. Custom exhaust in it, my friend.
Oh, let's have a look then. Let's have a looky. So where's it start? So it starts at the cat. Oh, that's very nice, Richard. On a Viva flange.
Viva flange?
Oh, Viva flange.
That's some lovely little worlds.
You don't have to do the accent, you know.
What accent?
Yeah, that's looking nice, mate.
You did a good job.
Now this is a 1.1.
Yeah, the original
turbo.
the original exhaust was 1.5 inch, which was pretty pathetic, to be fair.
Yeah, but this is a 2.5.
2.5.
2.25.
2.25.
It's actually 2. As soon as the downpipe is actually 2.25.
Yeah, that's why we matched it up, ain't it?
Yeah, that's why we matched it up. So we matched it up to 2.25. Just cut obviously at the back of the cap, made a nice little stainless steel piece to join it, and then made a cap back from there. Obviously, you can't buy anything off the shelf. So.
No, not for this car, certainly.
No. So it was just a case of making something up.
It's really nice, Richard. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I've long since got past the point in my life where I need your approval on anything. Yeah, thank you.
I said it was big.
Hey?
I said it was big. Everyone wants to hear that it's big.
What are you lying to me? Why are you lying to me?
Oh, hello. Right, let's fire this bad boy up.
You can.
How excited are you to hear this exhaust?
I'm more excited to get my new car tomorrow.
Are you going to let us all know what it is, or are we not allowed to?
Where you had the money from for a new fucking car, anyway?
Been selling drugs, mate.
Have you?
Yeah.
He hasn't.
So buy some.
No, he hasn't. Instant dismissal.
Was it? I want to know where he's had the money from to buy a new car.
Got to prove that.
He's always pleading poverty, saying he's never got no fucking money.
I'm skinned.
So where you got the money from then?
I ain't got no money.
I'm looking forward to see what it is. We'll have to do a big reveal.
It's a banana boat. We're doing rapids, bro, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it. Teabag it. Yeah, I like it. Gary's getting the legs out. what it needs. Needs an Owners Club sticker. Yeah, the 1.1.
Have a little rev, then I have a listen myself, yeah?
Have a little rev. Hold that phone then.
Life moves pretty fast.